What is up, guys? This is your boy coming at you with another wheel swap, I guess. Still practicing on the wheel swapping, guys. I'm still using like the M2 wheels that I have on hand until I get better at it before I go out and purchase all of the wheels and stuff that I would love to have. I know I found some on eBay that I think I might order, but for right now, it's still a practice mode. So I'm trying to make a decision on which wheels should I use. Like I have these guys here, you guys can see. So I have those I'm thinking about using. And I also have these guys here. So I'm not sure yet. I think the white letterings probably go good with this one. This reminds me of the old school. So we'll see. So we're gonna take it apart and let you guys see. As you guys know, there's nothing in the Maisto cars. It's just a shell. So that would make them the perfect cars to practice with. And you just take them apart and put it back together. So it's not a big challenge. But I do like this Camaro though by Maisto. They did a good job on it. I like the body style and the whole 9 yards. Alright guys, so we're gonna take it apart and let you guys take a look at it when it's done. Alright guys, here we go. This is the new look. Tell me what you think. So again guys, this is my Maisto Camaro and my wheel swap. Again, as you guys can always remember, man, these wheels from Maisto cars, that's exactly what they look like. I don't know what I did with the other one, but it's somewhere. As you guys can see the difference. That is nice. Alright guys, so that is my wheel swap Wednesday. Hope you guys enjoying this. As you guys know, I'm trying to venture off to do something a little bit more different. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I'll see you when I see you. So I guess I can move this out the way so you can get a good look of the wheel swap. Deuces guys, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Bye now.